Good everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to be creating this 3D object with Revolve tool. So if you are looking forward to learning how to draw a 3D object with a Revolve, this video is going to help you, whether you are a beginner or you are an experienced user. This channel is also going to help you. But before we start, please click on subscribe. Now let's get started. As you can see from the 3D image here, given the dimension, now we have the thickness of this whole object, which is 90, from this point to this point, which is 90. And then so we select line 90, enter. Now at the center of this you have the diameter of 60, and we are going to draw only the half of this, then we revolve it. So because of the half, we're going to divide 60, which is 60 divided by 2, which is 30. So use line 30, enter. 90, enter, then enter. Now we have the thickness of, from this point to this point is 15. Thickness of this 15, and from this point to this point, which is this, which is also this, from this point to this point is 75. So because of the 75, we'll do 75 divided by 2, which will give you 37.5. So select line 15, enter. 37.5, enter. And then for us to get this line, we have to minus this. If you do 280 from this point to this point is 280 divided by 2, which will give you 140. That means the whole length of this is 140. So 190 divided by 2 is 95. Therefore 95 minus this, we are going to get from this point to this point to be 50. 50, enter. Then this is 50, and from this point to this point should be 45, because if you do 140 minus 95, it will give you 45. So from this point to this point is 45. So 45, enter. 90, enter. 45, enter. 37.5, enter. 50, enter. 37.5, enter. Now we are going to do this. the thickness of this teeth is what? The thickness of this point is 10. Here is 10, here is 10, here is 10, and here is 10. Then the center from this point to this point is 30. So you're going to, because this thing is total of 90, you're going to reduce it from here and reduce it from here to get the middle this thing to be 10. So now 90 divided by 2, it will give you 45. So we are going to reduce it by 40. So drag it back 40, enter. Also drag it from here 40, enter. Now we have 10 at the middle. So you select line, draw 10 this way, enter. Select line 10 from here, enter. Now we are going to this point, from this point to this point is 30, the length. So select line 30, enter. 30, enter. Line 30, enter. 30, enter, and enter. Now we have to do this. We have to make it to be slant like this. So, and the middle of this place is 10. The middle of this place is 10. Same thing with here, 10, 10. So we have to because this is 30, you have to reduce it by 10 from this side and 10 from this side. So click on it, drag it back 10, enter. Drag it from here 10, enter. So now you have 10. So do the same thing here. Then enter. 10, enter. So now this is it. So now we are going to select line, select here, select here, line, line, select this point, select this point, line, select this point, select this point. Then we are going to copy this, click on it, click on copy, select from this edge, press it here. Also click on this, copy, select from this edge and keep it here. So now we are going to extend this line, so extend, you type extend, click on it, click on the line, click on these two. So now we will now trim, select trim, because we want to make it to look this way. Select trim, trim this line, trim this, trim this, trim this, then you trim here, you trim here. Now this is what we got. You select the whole body, you type join. So join. So now you're going to revolve this to make it this 3D, to make it look this way. So go to the here, select southeast isometric. Now then select revolve, highlight the whole object, enter. Then select it towards, revolve it towards X direction. So you click on this edge, then also click on this edge, the end point. So well, we have to join this. Let's join it again. Join, then revolve, enter. This now. So we are going to make the angle to be 270. So 270, enter. So now this is the object. This is the object.